Hey guys, welcome to another sneak peek for Titan Dental Design. We haven't done this in a long time, so I'm really excited to introduce you a few of the new features that we have added. This time, I want to show you the verification feature. Um, so let me check. Once you do treatment planning, there's going to be a lot of things that you have to look for to get a treatment plan that tracks correctly. And to help this, we have introduced this verification, which is like a checklist of things that you have to look for, and the system will check them for you automatically. So let me show you this. So in here, you have the verify button, which opens the verification feature. You can also open it here through validation. This red will show automatically when there is a problem. Otherwise, it will not show there, and you have to go through the tools and validation. Once it opens, you will see that it is a list, a checklist of the things that you have to look for. And you can click here down, evaluate, to check them all. Like when I click here, it evaluates and says that uh, it has the correct speed, but it has mid-trim collisions. There's a problem, and I can fix it. There is unsafe movements, and you can see it here. So this treatment, it has a mid-trim collision here. It shows also here that there is a mid-trim collision. So that needs to be fixed. There is also, you see red at the end. So that movement is too fast and may not track correctly. This verification checklist sees that and allows you to fix it just by clicking the fix button. Here in the lower, you will see that you have movement that are slower than it could be. And unless that's the intended speed, we can fix that for you as well. We also have a verifications for attachments, like in here. You see some of these attachments are not lined up correctly. So you will have to place attachment on aligner 0 and then on aligner 4. And you may want to have them all at the same time so that you can place them in the same visit. So we double check that for you. We also double check things like if there is enough anchoring in the attachments, if there is enough grabbing force, like if the force is not parallel to the movement. Um, we check for the occlusal contacts, like because of the thickness of the liners. When you remove the liners, that creates an uneven. So you want more contacts on the back teeth compared to the front, or maybe not contact at all in the front, so that when you remove it, it correctly adjusts. It's a few things that you may forget to do, and we verify it for you. So at this moment, not all of those are ready yet. We have just a few that are working, and we are working on adding these new rules and a lot of more rules. So the idea here is that once you finish a treatment, you go to the verify, and it's gonna be a checklist with 30, 40 rules. And if everything is correctly, then you're good to go. Your movement is gonna is has a better chance of tracking. Um, but let's see how we can make this work. So you saw that there were all these problems, and you can click and fix each individual one. Like I wanna just fix attachments, or I can fix all. And when I click it, it will execute it. And if I evaluate again, everything now is fine. So which means that we no longer has mid-trim collision. It added some keyframes to solve that. The movement is at the recommended speed, and the attachments were all lined up. So as we add more rules, you will get more predictable movements. You will feel safer in the way that you're working, because sometimes you have just a little time to work in the case. So this will help you double check your crosses. I hope this helps. And if you have more ideas for new rules, uh, just let us know. We will happily integrate them. Over the next few weeks, we're gonna be showing all the rules that we have in development, which is around 30 rules so far. But yeah, any feedback in this will be awesome. Okay. Hope that helps. Thanks.